Hey guys, this is Swayam and I welcome you all to Cuisine. This time I'm back with an amazing coastal delicacy that delights any non-vegetarian seafood fan. I'm talking about delicious prawn masala, which is spicy, tangy and absolute palate pleasing. Without further ado, let's get started. We'll begin by roasting all the dry spices first. So I have here some coriander seeds, then followed by dry red chillies. I have removed the seeds and this is really optional. Next up, mustard seeds, some dried coconut powder or known as the copra, and some cumin seeds. Let it roast till you see the spices are well roasted and it starts releasing the aroma. Once this cools down, transfer into a blender. Add ginger and garlic and just little water to make a smooth paste. Somewhat like this. Well, what do we see now? These are the cleaned and deveined prawns. Marinate the prawns well with salt, turmeric and red chilli powder. Mix it well and keep that aside. Now take a pan, when hot add mustard oil. Yes, you heard me correct. This recipe gets better with mustard oil. Let the oil smoke a bit and only then add the onions followed by some cumin seeds. Add salt to taste and give it a good mix. Once the onion gets brown in color, add the marinated prawns. Roast the prawns on high flame. Look at this beauty. I just love this color. Cover this with a lid for around 5 minutes. Let's do a quick check. This looks amazing, isn't it? As you can see, this is almost cooked. At this point, we add the masala and give it a nice mix. Keep stirring continuously until the mixture dries a bit. At this stage, take some yogurt and whisk it well until there are no lumps. Now add the yogurt and give it a good mix. As you can see, this leaves a little bit of water. So we'll again cook this for more 5 to 10 minutes, cover this with a lid and let it simmer. Let's do a quick check. As you can see, this still has little gravy. In case you're looking for a little gravy kind of a recipe, you can stop right here. But since I need a little more on a dry side, I'm going to cook further for more 2 to 3 minutes. And this is how it looks. The consistency just looks perfect. Maybe a little splash of water. Give it a nice mix. And last but not the least, add a pinch of garam masala. Add fresh coriander leaves and give it one final mix. And there we have this delectable prawn masala ready. Enjoy this hot with rice or Indian breads of your choice. A must-try recipe for all the prawn lovers out there. Try out this delicacy and give your taste buds a zing. Serve it with some onions and enjoy the recipe. I hope you like this recipe as much as I enjoyed making it. Do subscribe to Cuisine and don't forget to hit on the bell notification. I'll keep coming with amazing recipes every week. Until then, bye-bye.